Hello everyone, and welcome to Big Guy Rides. This is going to be our first review, and here at Big Guy Rides, we just visited the Las Vegas area and went to the Big Apple Coaster at the New York Hotel. This was an awesome ride for us. We gave it a ride rating of 8 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. The reason we did an XL, this ride, if you're very tall, you might have some issues getting on with the shin guards. However, it does have very forgiving over-the-shoulder soft straps, and the lap bars that do come down are very accommodating. So that being said, most adults should be able to fit on this ride. We thought this was a really cool ride, even cracked our top 20. And being on top of a building is something very unique. So it is a little bit pricey. It's $25 per ride, but I think it's worth the experience. So with that said, let's sit back and enjoy the ride. That was a great POV taken from my eye view glasses of the last standing TOGO coaster in America, and here's the little gift shop that follows. I did pick up a shirt. There is also an arcade right as you exit the coaster if you want to hit the arcade as well. While visiting the Las Vegas area, we stopped by the Adventuredome, which is the next park on our review list. Now, this is a pretty awesome family park. It's completely indoors, and it is the largest indoor theme park. Circus Circus is the hotel that it's located at, and on the second level you will find Canyon Blaster and El Loco. Those are the two best rides in the park, in my opinion, and they are the two largest rides in the park, being their only roller coasters. El Loco is first with a rating of 7 out of 10 and an XL size rating. The reason we gave it this size rating, it does have some seat belts that go across, as well as some lap bars that come down from overhead, but it does accommodate fairly large riders. So with that said, let's sit back and enjoy the ride. That was an awesome ride. Now next is Canyon Blaster. This is a really cool double inverting coaster. Goes inside a bunch. And this one, if you are tall, you may have a hard time. We gave it a 6 out of 10 ride rating and a large size rating. The reason why, as you can see here in my video, I'm 6'4" and I had a very tough time getting into these cars. Now, that's only because of my height. The over-the-shoulder restraints were very accommodating, so larger riders should fit. With that said, let's sit back and enjoy the ride. Once we got off some of the big coasters, we headed over to some of the flat rides on the main level. Disco has a rating of 4 out of 10 and a size rating of XL. This was not my most favorite ride, but it is pretty accommodating. So let's enjoy the ride. The next ride we got on was Inverter. Now this ride has some pretty tight restraints. We sized this as a large and gave it a 6 out of 10. It is a fun ride, however, if you are on the wider or larger side, you may have trouble fitting. With that said, let's sit back and enjoy the ride on Inverter. The next flat ride we got to enjoy was the swinging ship, the Sand Pirate. Now this has an extremely easy rating of XXL. Rating of 5 out of 10. It is one of the weaker pirate ships I've been on, however, the size rating is great. Nebulaz was the next ride. This is a brand new ride from Zamperla. This equally has some fairly easy restraints to get into. However, if you're on the very large or big belly side, you may not fit. We gave this ride rating a 6 out of 10. Let's enjoy the ride. Next we have the Angry Birds 4D theater ride. This is a moving theater ride and it only has a seatbelt strap, so we gave this a size rating of a XXL. Almost anyone should be able to fit on this ride. A ride rating of 6 out of 10. It was a fun, theatrical ride. Nothing to write home about. Let's enjoy a short snippet. We then got on Sling Shot, which both shoots you up and drops you down. One of my favorite kind of rides. We gave this a ride rating of 6 out of 10 and a size rating of an XL. Let's enjoy the view. With that, we hit the Circus Carousel. Now this is a ride I do want to talk about. This is a very fun ride and a family ride. However, it has a size rating of a medium because there are these straps that you must put on in order to ride. Adults may have a very tough time getting these on as they were designed for kids. The ride is not that thrilling. Circus Swings was next. This is a really fun indoor ride. Now, this has a size rating of a medium and a ride rating of 5 out of 10. However, there are double swings or double rider swings available that you as a single rider can get in, which is what I did and fit fine. Overall, I would definitely recommend this park. I thought it was an awesome time. It has a great atmosphere, and there was a lot of rides that larger riders can get on. So, would I recommend you guys to check this out? Absolutely, I would. I think this is a fun park, and for the price, I think it has a lot to offer. With that said, like, comment, and subscribe for more inclusive reviews, as we'll be visiting more parks soon. Thank you. Big Guy Rides.